Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a brokerage account on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and choose to open an individual account. Fill out and submit your application directly in the app. Within a few days, you'll get an email. It will either confirm your application is approved or request a bit more information. If Robinhood needs to verify your identity, they'll ask you to securely upload documents and they'll send clear instructions. Keep in mind, it may take a few days to review your materials and open the account. Once everything's approved, you'll get an email with instructions on how to get started. And that's it. You've just opened a brokerage account on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.